Hello everyone. In our last video, we explored how to extract text using text before and text after. We realized na napakadali lang mag-extract ng text as long as you can identify the delimiters. Pero paano kung walang delimiter? That's where left, right, and mid functions come in. These tools let you extract text based on positions, so no delimiters required. Given this example, as you can see, walang delimiter, walang dash, walang spaces, or any characters or indicators na magsa-separate dun sa transaction code natin. But we can see a certain pattern. Yung first few characters is the store code, and then the next few numbers is the transaction number, and last 8 digits is actually the date of the transaction. And we will try to extract the store code first using the left function. Left function in Excel is used to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning of the text or from the left side. That's why the name of the function is left. And meron lamang siyang dalawang arguments. First one is yung text. So yung reference mo or yung specific text na gusto mong i-analyze. And then yung number of characters. So specify how many number of characters that you want to extract starting from the left. In this example, we want to extract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters from the left. Paano yung magiging formula natin? Equals left, yung text natin, ito, and number of characters, 7 characters. Close, and enter. And copy lang natin yung formula pababa. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, gusto naman natin kunin yung date. And we can find the date at the right side of the transaction code. So we will use the right function. Right function in Excel is used to extract a specific number of characters from the end or the right side of the text. That's why the name of the function is right. And meron lang siyang two arguments. Text, yung cell reference mo kung nasan yung text mo or yung string, and then yung number of characters, which specify how many characters you want to extract starting from the right side. And since we're able to identify that the last 8 digits is the date, we will use the right function. Paano yung formula? Equals right. Ito yung text natin. Number of characters is 8 characters. Enter, and then copy yung formula pababa. And that's your date. Now na nakuha na natin yung store code and yung date, kunin naman natin yung transaction date. And yung transaction date is yung character after nung store code and before ng date, which is 5 characters in exact. And since nasa gitna siya, we will use the mid function. Mid function is used to extract a specific number of characters from any position within a text string. And meron siyang tatlong arguments, yung text, yung cell reference kung nasaan yung text or yung string mo or the actual text, yung start number. From your text string, i-identify mo kung saan ka mag-start mag-extract. And then, from the start number, ilang characters yung gusto mong i-extract. And again, in this example, we are able to identify na merong 5 characters. And that's after the 7th character or after nung n. Paano yung magiging formula? Mid. Ito yung text natin. Ang start number natin is 8. And the number of characters is 5. Enter, and then drag yung formula pababa. And that's your transaction number. And kung napapansin nyo, yung date column natin is formatted as a text. Now, kung gusto nyo siyang gawing actual date, you can also use the combination of left, mid, and right function. Example for this one, gagamit tayo ng date function. So, yung year natin, based dun sa data natin is the first 4 digits from this result. So, ang gagamitin nating function is left. Ito yung text natin and then ang number of characters is 4. And then copy lang natin yung original formula natin. Next naman natin is yung month. And saan natin makukuha yung month? Yung gitna. So, yung pang limang character at saka yung pang anim na character. So, we will use mid function. And then, ito ulit yung text natin. Starting number is yung fifth number. And kailangan natin ng 2 characters. Close. And last is yung day. So, yung day natin is yung last two numbers. So, we will use the right function. And then, yung formula natin again, na original. Number of characters from the right, dalawa. Close and enter. Copy yung formula pababa. And of course, change natin yung formatting to short date. And there you go. Ayun lang. I hope I was able to explain it properly. If you have questions, suggestions, or functions na gusto nyong i-explore, post nyo lang sa comment section. And if you find my video helpful, please like, share, and follow na rin kayo to receive more videos like this.